Now I am going to be driving. See how far away I can get. Going. Oh, that's where I lose it, but that's a good distance away from it. Now we'll be coming back. I lost it. We're coming back to it. Yeah, there it is, back. And I'm not even near it.
Hi, this video is to go over everything you get with the ZSMJ wireless backup camera and 7-inch monitor. And at the end, I will show the system working. With the 7-inch monitor, it comes with 2 different brackets as well as a suction cup mount, so you can mount it to your front window if needed. They come with every single kind of connector you need, and the setup is super easy.
Just making a quick video going over this,
and as you can
wireless
see on the monitor,
backup camera with a 7-inch monitor.
Other car right behind it.
Let me tell you
like
guys,
I said,
this thing is amazing.
On this.
The build quality
less than
is top notch,
and
the setup is so easy.
Is just amazing.
They give you everything, and I mean everything.
The
monitor comes with 2 brackets, as well as a suction cup mount.
The camera
so you can mount it to your mirror if you need
waterproof. And it also has night vision.
They make it even easy to splice into your light system to run the wires that way if you choose.
Backup camera and 7-inch monitor.
The build quality and the setup
buy this again in a heartbeat.
are so awesome.
Thanks, guys.
And as you can see, sorry for the shaking, but you can see